Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today I'm making the third video and my predictions for the virus Omicron. My predictions as per the Chaitra Shukla Pratipada Pisces new moon chart of 12th April 2021 proving spot on for virus. Whatever I had predicted as per this chart, it is proving spot on, and let me just go through it and tell you what is the future of Omicron or mutations in the coronavirus. It may mutate, and what are the sensitive dates? My predictions, as you see, this article is my predictions as per the Chaitra Shukla Paksh Pratipada Pisces new moon chart, right? Now, this is with reference to my article written on the 8th April 2021. It seems that the time frame from the lunar and solar eclipse in November and December 2021 respectively and till April 2022 will be time frame of concern for the virus mutations, and virus may create more panic than actual danger like second wave in the coronavirus in a nutshell. All my predictions are proving spot on. I had right from day one when the coronavirus has sprouted. Time frame from the 5th December to 27th February and then till April 2022 will be a period of concern in the immediate future for the virus spread. After Venus goes in retrogression and falls back in the 8th house of the foundation chart, will definitely be a period of concern till the above time frames, because when the 6th lord, because Venus is the 6th lord, and when it goes in retrogression in astrology, in medical astrology, it is said that when the 6th lord retrogrades, there is relapse of the disease. So there could be mutations in the coronavirus, and it is in the 9th house. That means it is coming from the travelers who coming from abroad, and then it falls back in the 8th house. 6th lord fallen in the 8th house from where the coronavirus has sprouted. The sign Sagittarius is most venomous from the 30th December to 27th February 2022. There can be panic-like situations, but in a nutshell, the virus may not be that dangerous as the second wave we got after the Pisces new moon chart of the 12th April 2021, where on that very day the eclipse point of the solar eclipse of the 20th December 2020 was activated. So this time frame is a matter of concern, and have a look at the transit of planets. You see, at the time of the Chaitra Shukla Pratipada chart, the Mars and Rahu were in the Lagna and the Taurus Lagna, same as the India Foundation chart. And today when I am talking to you on the video, the Mars, Ketu, Sun and Mercury are placed in the 7th house of the India Foundation chart and the 8th house of the natural zodiac. Let me spell out: Mars and Rahu in the Lagna, and now Mars and Ketu in the 7th house. Most venomous when Mars will activate the eclipse point on the 9th December and 31st December, and degree conjunction with Ketu on the 16th December, and Mars transit in just a star from the 28th December to 16th January will be most explosive time frame. My predictions as per my articles are proving 100% spot on. In fact, I have already written enough, but want to elaborate my predictions for the disease and virus spread as per the Hindu new moon chart of 2021-22. The horoscope, I will just read out. The horoscope is of Taurus Lagna, as we said, and in this, as per the D6 and D8 charts, it shows that the virus will spread because the sixth lord is afflicted in the D6, and in the D8, the chronic diseases, it is with Rahu and Ketu. So it is not good. But as far as the Mrityusputa, Deshputa and Pransputa and their Navamshas, it shows that there will be ease after the virus takes an ugly shape, then slowly and slowly it will ease out. So the mutations, what take place when Venus goes in retrogression is a matter of concern, and especially when Venus falls in the 8th house of the India Foundation chart, and the same sign from where the coronavirus had sprouted. So it clearly indicates that there could be some more mutations also, which may not be that dangerous, but definitely it will be a matter of concern. The most important prediction, Mars, the Lord of the 12th and the 7th, afflicted and in the ascendant, is crystal clear, pointing out conspiracy and espionage from foreign elements, hence terrorism cannot be ruled out. The Mars affliction in the ascendant, the king of the year, and also indicates emergency-like situations in the country, and they were, in the middle part of the year. In the Pisces new moon chart, even in the year before, we had affliction, and because of the affliction, there was coronavirus. Coronavirus and diseases. As per the Chandra Canal, Chandra Kundli, moon, you see, is not placed well. And then D6 chart we have already talked, and D8 chart also we have already talked. Analysis by Gulikas, Mrityusputa, Deshputa and Pransputa, it shows that after it sprouts, that there will be some relief. And by April, we will get some relief, and when Ketu will also leave the sign Scorpio. But you see, Venus, the 6th lord of the India Foundation chart and the Pisces new moon chart, when it goes in retrogression on the 19th of December, from 19th of December till 27th